Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, linear equations in one variable. Now I am going to start with the introduction of the chapter. In introduction we are going to revise the concepts which we have studied in our earlier classes. First of all, we should know about expressions. What expressions in mathematics? Like I am writing 2x. This is an algebraic expression having one term plus 3. This is an expression having two terms. This is binomial. Now the next concept is of equation. You have studied in your class 6. What equation is? A statement of equality involving one or more than variable. I am writing x plus 1 is equal to 6. Now this is an equation because this statement involves the sign of equality. This is an expression and this is an equation. This is the difference between an expression and the equation. Now the next topic is linear equations. I am writing one equation, y square plus 2y is equal to 6. This is an equation because it involves a statement of equality, but this is not a linear equation. So what linear equation is? In which the power of variable should be 1. The highest power, here is also it is 1, but the highest power of this equation is 2, so this is not a linear equation. If it is like this, y plus 6 is equal to 9, in which in this equation the power of variable, the highest power, that is only we are having one variable, that is y, and its power is 1, so this is a linear equation. So now in one variable, there is only one variable y. If you are writing 2x plus 3 is equal to 4x, this is also a linear equation. We are having two terms of x, but the power of both the term, the highest power is 1, and we are having only one variable x here, so this is linear equation in one variable. Now next, the solution of the linear equation in one variable. Do you remember that any value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of that equation? X plus 1 is equal to 7. So for what value of x this equation will get satisfied? That LHS, this LHS is equal to RHS. The value is 6. X is equal to 6. So 6 is the solution of this linear equation, because after putting the value of 6 here in place of x, that LHS 6 plus 1 7, that is equal to RHS 7. Now let us recall the rules for solving linear equation. The first rule, add the same quantity to the both side of equation. Same quantity. If you are going to add, suppose x plus 1 is equal to 7. If you are going to add 2 on the both side, again you will see the value will not change. The value of x, the solution will be 6. This is your first rule. Now next, subtract the same quantity from both sides of the equation. That will also not affect the equality of this equation. The third, multiply both sides of the equation with the same quantity by a same non-zero number. Not zero, non-zero number. And the fourth is divide both sides of equation by the same quantity, same number, but that number should be non-zero. So these all four are the rules for solving the linear equation. But remember, any term of an equation may be taken to the other side by changing its sign without affecting the equality. See how? What I am saying here. If you are like suppose 2x plus 3 is equal to 6. Now changing the term, you have to shift the term from one side to second, LHS to RHS, either RHS to LHS without affecting the equality. That process is known as transposition. Transposition. How it works? Suppose if I am taking 3 from LHS to RHS, that will go for subtraction. The plus sign of the term changes to the negative sign to the other side, and if it is like and the negative sign, suppose I am taking x minus 1 is equal to 7, then x is equal to 7 plus 1. This negative sign will change to positive sign. And same for multiplication and division, like suppose I am taking here 4x is equal to 12. Now if you are shifting this 4 to the RHS, this is within the multiplication, that will go for division, x is equal to 3. And if you are going to do that, 4 divided by, okay, x divided by 4 is equal to 3. Now if you are shifting this 4 to RHS, this division sign will go for multiplication and the value of x will be 12. So you have to keep this thing in your mind. At plus sign of the term changes to negative sign changes to positive, multiply changes to division, and division changes to multiplication. Now I am taking some questions to get the concept more clear to you. Solve the equation, this equation, and check your answer. Now solving means you have to find the solution of this equation, means you have to find the value of this variable x. For that you have to need the transposition of the terms. Now in this equation we are having only variable only in one side, LHS. So we will shift all the terms to RHS. This minus 2, that will go for addition, that is 5x is equal to 18 plus 2, 20. Now to find the value of x, this 5 is being multiplied with x and it will go for division by 5, and x is equal to 5 4s are 24. And how to check? To check, we have to keep this value of the variable in LHS. 5 into 4 minus 2, 20 minus 2, 18, and the RHS, that is also 18. So LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way you can show that after putting the value of this variable x is equal to 4, your LHS is equal to RHS and hence verified. Now the next question, which equation we have taken, 1 by 4y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Again we are having one variable y in LHS. So we are going to transposition of the terms to RHS. 1 by 4y, this it is plus 1 by 2, that will go for minus 1 by 2 over here. Now this is the simplification of fraction, so we have to take the LCM. The LCM of 1 and 2, 2. 2 divided by 1, 2, multiplied by 5, 10, 2 divided by 2, 1, multiplied by 1, 1 by 4y. Either you can write it as 1 into y by 4 also. 9 by 2. Now you can do cross multiply also. Either if you want to shift 4 to that side also, either cross multiply. 2 9 is equal to 9 4s are 36, 2y is equal to 36, and y is equal to 36 by 2, 18. The value of variable is 18. Now to check, I am doing here to check. Put the value of variable y, that is 18 plus 1 by 2, 2, 9. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now both are having the same denominator, so you are going to add just the numerator. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2, that is 5. Now what we have in RHS? 5. So we have proved LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So home assignment for today. Revise introduction and do question number 1 to 5, worksheet 1, chapter 7.